You could open up this cabinet. I'll put it right here. Oh my. It's dead.
Yeah, but it's supposed to stop and shrink.
It can't.
You mean it can't?
It can't.
Of course it can.
No, it's too big. It's bubbling over from the inside.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, burning.
It's burning.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's deflating now.
How about when you poke the bear?
I wouldn't suggest doing that. It's probably liquid in the middle bit.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, so don't poke it while I'm holding it, jackass.
Why? You can't feel your fingertips anyway.
Doesn't mean I want to burn.
That's brilliant.